Check this out if you love smart solutions. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for massive reason. This specific let completely honest finding perfect is proving to be worth every single penny. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple: it feels incredibly high quality. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it handles heavy usage without any issues. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without their heavy premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed to WTH it before it's completely gone. Check this out if you love smart solutions.